Freelancer ka ba? Pwede kang mag-housing loan. So number one, just choose your loan path. Pwede siyang through bank or pag-ibig. With pag-ibig, they are more forgiving sa mga irregular income. So just make sure lang na meron kang 24 monthly contributions. With banks naman, mas malaki yung pwede mong i-loan provided na meron kang mga documents like ITR, payslip, COE, bank statements. So, pwede kang mag-loan sa bank. At saka number two, i-ready yung mga documents. So, just make sure na meron kang i-represent na proof of income, lalong-lalo na sa banks kasi stricter sila. And then lastly, if you are a freelancer, tapos kalat-kalat talaga yung income mo, mas preferred si Pag-ibig kasi mas forgiving siya sa mga irregular income. And if need mo naman mag-loan ng mas higher than 6 million, choose bank at saka if meron ka namang higher income, maa-approve ka talaga sa bank. With Pag-ibig kasi, up to 6 million lang yung pwede mong ma-loan. So yun lang, pwede ka mag-loan if you're a freelancer.